Okay, let's do aerobic respiration. So this one, aerobic respiration, all takes place inside the mitochondrion or the mitochondria. So this was one of the most critical advances that happened in our evolution to allow for multicellular animals to exist, because we acquired the ability to make ATP. And that's an ability that allows us to use oxygen in our atmosphere to harvest the radiant energy that the sun provides to the autotrophs. Okay, so here we go. Aerobic respiration. This is done in 3 steps. We have what's called, so the steps of it are called the prep step. This prep step is used to prepare pyruvate to enter the Krebs cycle. So you have the prep step 1, you have your Krebs cycle, and then you have the electron transport chain. These 2 steps here, okay, occur in the matrix of the mitochondria. So they're called your matrix reactions. And this one occurs in the membrane. So it's called the membranous reactions or membrane reactions of the aerobic respiration. Again, just to review, this is the mitochondria. You have this part is called the matrix. So that's where step 1 and 2 take place, while step 3 occurs on the membranes, especially on the inner mitochondrial membrane. So this is the outer membrane, and this is the inner membrane, and this is the space, the intra-membranous, long word, space between the outer and inner membranes of mitochondria. Now, so let's first look at the prep step. So the prep step here is, again, another 1-step where you have your better markers here. Have your pyruvate, CH3. All right, here's the pyruvate hanging out here. It will react with coenzyme A. This is how we write it, coenzyme A. It's pyruvate. Let's mark it like this. No. It's pyruvate here plus coenzyme A. And when they react, this is what takes place. So here, again, we're going to bring in another NAD to pop in. So NAD, again, it's always available throughout the cell. We'll pop in and pick up 2 of the H's. So we'll leave as NAD, H plus H plus. So we'll take this H and this H. Okay. Then what's left behind will be, so then the coenzyme A will take this part right here. Okay, so this part is what the coenzyme A is going to take away of the pyruvate. So then we're going to have this over here. Attached to coenzyme A like so, right? And then the remaining COO right here, that's carbon dioxide. So that's what we expire. So CO2 from here is now released as a byproduct of a reaction. And this reaction is done by an enzyme called pyruvate dehydrogenase. It's an enzyme that allows for the prep step to take place. And now this product here will now be sent into the Krebs cycle. That's where we go next. Okay, so we have prepped it, and now we're going to push it over and push this part into the Krebs cycle. Okay, let's pause again. I'm making these small films, but